enti asem no abusia akwa akodu headquarters. In fact, baby asem na kodru no ano ya shepa akwa akodu the almighty Twene Jonas akodu nanim one Afia Schwar Her Excellency, in fact, the woman president. Akodu manim concern ensem Kennedy Agyapong ebeka fa the NPP Party no hono any threat or sade aba no Twene Jonas any Afia Schwar very plaking. Mema won tiremu no akyere wadwen e de amame e wo comment section. I PENYAH block media. Mess for say any demo. Obe like keep brother my subscribe button so click notification icon of latest updates na be kyere wadwen de amame e wo comment section. Oba so a no che for anya bia hwe. Na be kan for nala money send up anya de ama wo USA wo UK ba bia wo bia obe send kakra e de be fie odofo bi abusuafo ma be papa no mo. Nala for say use my promo code PENYAH TV ever send this coffee na obe chew a cool $20 as a reward pay. Na oped eye nala ana obia yisu bi na obeda mase. Let's go to the service here. Na nsem internet na so ayashepa na akwa camp of the NPP na confusion can see abeda wo montem ama there's a threat hanging in the air. Ne nyina fa Afari nsensem NPP for ebe raise concern say Mahama ama Afari hospital na yawie ne akanwuram ama ho asem be de jaja because na any sponsor ka say yenwie ye. But now before insist say you have for the hospital na emo mu ko ho no mo no mu ko na mu ke kan sem bebrebe. In fact mu ke kan sem tirem say Mahama tansa na phone tina on person be for the hospital because you a whole lot of issue no mu kan na that for the hospital no nsem no ana video be surface on the internet na no ana Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong ebe ka say ebe ka bi e no chance on he NPP Party mun kama no ntum kra na meni mu nyina na wa memon for 8 solid years ya anya hwe afa for ho ya anya hwe oh munyai ya anya hwe for the hospital no ya mo ho wa panya kra ya ntobi ya anya hwe munyai and so maybe one guy say na ken no there be o waka say free hefa because second guy say anya ho hwe na say ke wu twatro because 2016 Mahama free so na enie 2024 yesu free so na enie enze ken guy say anya ho hwe na say ken ti ni nsem no efre hen etinam so mo so no ebe wo madwe ya ema obi yes or time NPP Party na or person or cause confusion in the party no the AI could draft an alleged letter from the camp of the NPP and demanded public apology and retraction of words from Kennedy Agyapong. That character the AI and the genuine it never came from JFK and free JFK as well the AI and the genuine but can any who that character and a tune is a conversation me pamacha is a me train sem ne nsa pamacha de na munya obetre de be e wo mo ene ken e be bo threat be kan na dwen na dwen ke kan we no na busia akodu Afia Schwar akodu nanim na oni Twene Jonas we ene nsem a omo e ka kire Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong
muyi maso because asemu we no e be serious na be wa Kennedy that's us bra why didn't someone know Kennedy? Why didn't someone know their own no? What damn bad the about NPP? Every day I will spill the beans. Every day I will spill the beans. Kennedy, now did that border so come and spill that beans. Kennedy, ma wo yire $100 million contract. $100 million contract. Documents in here. Documents in here. Ma wo yire $100 million fucking dollars contracts. Someone subcontracting for constituency for NPP youth to be na mufana juma. Oh sorry, I'm for the youth. I'm for the youth. What $100 million contracts no? So over soil, over supply, electrical poles no. Don't sign our supply here. Sikana kodi ko shidi sansani. To bottom ni for but down for yare for why wa pantai so Bell Astra Nigeria boss Kennedy wa pantai ha aso Bell Astra Nigeria boss and a wood chimney what cast and common ani NDC for the and yenim Sikana what you woko board no any the course Ministry of Energy or Chinameba be your life me 2 million much let's see acquire your fast so ye Eva Eddie with him Eva the late Agyapong the late Agyapong now we and the girl no Eva no I know what budget no I mean ready Eva now no your director the director of budget no say Eva I quite fast so pamono and I watch now have for phone na wa chire man san ma sorry ene chiremu Bukata, you are such a corrupt human being, Kennedy. You are a corrupt human being. You are also a liar. And then this is for the same can't say you are also a fucking coward. Chia omobachi wunti and our co sacrifice NPP. Yeah, that formal here. Kennedy, we are in opposition. Spill whatever you will spill. In fact, spill everything. Kennedy, set the NPP free. Set the NPP free. Because what the documents I had about wouldn't be to bottom the Kronfue. I see a better when you have no marking and to sacrifice the NPP. Monqua, and this is for you need to probe Cocoa Board. And this is for Monshamon Penny for no Munya Cocoa Board investigation. No more for Metro. Afia mi chantro and Timoma and this for Yoko for whoever that matters and what check Cocoa Board for documents. No mumra. Oh board a mate. I see a to Fajini free as I see any move. See a best spilly beans. Beans again. Spell rice. And spilly beans. Spell rice. Kennedy. Would you see a betra? Would you see a you are not going to blackmail anybody. What the documents about the beba contracts I would say you won't go a blackmailing nipa and the boss when you might stupid man, foolish idiot. Can't go for window, but down for your phone.
Inti Kennedy Agyapong Mr. Mummy Jimmy no NDC for na Jimmy. Oh, Mwaba 24-hour economy 2 years in Yemuntimi start here. So, it would not see 4 years in us, no, I could not fiance and all the Quasia, Abecase me who ya, Eka, Mr. 24-hour economy, na, said the other. And your mamma who's with Jim. Nurse if what if ye, what could that dumb say for your crown for yan to Abamount? Oba, would ye wouldn't me answer a post to a Muntica, Afari hospital, Nank be no so many cogum. There be with Jimmy. But now, sir, and what could not fear enough? But now, oh, me, we are coming by my limit to say, go forward and come employ nurses. Now, 4 years and soon, into ye Jimmy could see that bang. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Ye Jimmy could see that bang. Oh,
Sir, license irritant or no Kennedy no. Kennedy will because I'm Joel. Because I'm Joel. Ultimate can was a some chill beer. And ma will memo or bow the trade and the trading at them. Again, I can find your mamma, mamma. A by mamma, mamma, median I can find more. And today I brought your can't go, I can't be natural. I would do need chassis, apology. What told my channel approach as a man no so. We are quite see we are bow. One no moon by force. Who jaro? Who jare? Kwasia. Okasa wona ani Yesu moja ho. Wo obi ka bibi chewa ya. Obi ka bibi setra wo seproye, wo sekoko. Obi ka che osikani a wo siapo. Ka fa Jimmy free years ko.
No kwebe na woka. Moral right be na wo Kennedy Agyapong. What they come from military hospital ho asem. Defense and Interior Committee and wo mayimra sobjafie na we a chairperson. Yabrao Opini Yabrao. Now we are chairperson. Defense and Interior Committee or mayimra sobjafie. I am military hospital. And to time as committee channel then also yeah. What time as committee chair NPP na tia kunya so and then I would to me yeah as committee chairman. About Afari hospital. Ah, who the old person be who's a one away who azan woman trickety and away. I'm telling you.
Say I am out of Banny Binning Pensa.
San trickets no Sabia Benjamin Forbre
107.3.
Some ombre no na wote so wo do ho Kennedy Agyapong bibia keka no e bejimi brekam
Yensuo nipa bunipa
party no so nchen MPP Kennedy Agyapong wo so nchen MPP wo obi kran kese osu nyansa Semi Kutina and Okrami Lusuye, Yantoma me, Yabo Femfram. Bre Champon cry or born home in Chao. And to you be a sober reflection. Transanagony. Again, MPP Nyamao. Contract ben na wunya ye wo Kennedy Agyapong. Opa ma Kennedy Agyapong mrabon te meka say MPP man contract bia. Wo yire wunya ya ma wo yire. Onu kwanya contract. Street lights.
Oh, the whole bad the whole brutal.
Peter ma wo time. Any the contract ne ma Kennedy Agyapong ne yire.
Oh, the whole bad.
Na de won kon wo abo party no. Ye won krofo a enye bibia ne sika wo. Ye won krofo a sabe MPP o ma sum omu nya kapre omu nya dama omu ma bonte mekasa. You are talking too much. Kasa ne ya doso. Ba so kra de o say 2027 and mekasa pa o ka kire wan. Party na e so stamp authority.
Shenia kasa.
MPP National Executives e so stamp authority. Jeff Kenom masa mun sore. Munya husam no. Munya kwase asam no na mon kantre Kennedy Agyapong. Mo ba suspend na mo suspend mo pam na mo pam no.
Etumpa.
Adwe woni tim nya adwen papa. Abura adwene na woni tim.
Udi kwase asem so ye be ka kire wo.
Ya to ba wi na mnim say wasesa.
Shenia kasa.
But on sesa ye
nsuro nipa.
adwene woni tim no nya adwen pa.
Nsuro nipa buni.
Oya abura adwene woni tim. Oya selfish politician. I'm telling you today.
Etumpa.
Kennedy Agyapong a selfish politician. It is a mom in China and you.
Oh, the whole bad the whole brutal.
And Yamia more be enya.
Oh, the whole bad the whole.
Mami Sano. Want to be a BBA party move. Ni vote ye bako, mi vote ye bako, who vote ye bako, on 10 obia, 1 2 votes 100.
O can we know one tears here, I want headache.
Now some who way in there to 2 party. Now, Chairman Interior and Defense Committee, or my Russian Chairman for the hospital crano, unim who asem, unim who abacosem, wabon.
Oma bona ye kasa omunte no.
Nanya NDC for about even NDC for now about to make say 90% complete. 98% complete. And 2 year committee chairman then now king kan. And then now king kan. Who blame one people? Who ye will be and can we a good honest politician? What catcher was there? Men and me ye committee chairman. Men to me and her. I'm a young ye Ghana from Fanchami. Then we can sympathize with you.
Ne kana da hodo.
Shenia kasa.
Ba benjina ba te make kan semunu.
Ye bomu a no kre ne dikan.
Wo wie sa wo birthday donation na akoye ne hefo na no mkoye meeting. Enye otibo nsunom.
Ewurade nyam.
Enye the base for na no mkoye meeting.
Ewurade nyam kopo.
Wo the base a wo ye bema, wo boss, wo akokodro. Brown to na mama say nyina wo say base na mepɛ MPP bio.
Shenia kasa.
But me ho me MPP ni me ka no kra tere Ghana for no kra na wo ka no kra.
Ewurade nyam.
We are honest person. We are honest person. We are patriotic citizen.
What 107.3?
No we go me yes so nsem hunu so wo party nim sa na amanfo bi di nsem hunu.
O can we know one tears here, I want headache.
Akoba nsem hunu no ya dos wo MPP mu. Paul Afako yan suspend no. Kennedy Agyapong yan suspend no. A whole chairman, a whole secretary. Now who is Kennedy Agyapong in MPP? Party baba power. Enye ni power akufo na de party baba o. Kennedy Agyapong wonu nko antimi for party MPP e ma power. Alam kwajo chamantin so ba ni bi no woda na di no. But we hufo.
Shenia kasa.
And want to be out.
Etumpai.
Onyina nim.
Ye bomu a no kre ne dikan.
Me na so party nim. Me ni ba wi a me nko ba bi a no di nsem hunu wo party ni ja no di nsem hunu.
Boy.
Sa nsem hunu no wontwa so.
I think on this.
Akoba. Ta Kennedy Agyapong. Sa ni nsem hunu no wontwa so. Enya sa contract e de man ne no ma wo ye 1 pp no. Some of us yes ye wo nkrata wo ho. Ye be kenkan ni nyina kire no.
But me insro so insro.
Wouldn't quite yourself so a back catcher.
ɛyɛ fi sɛm ntiɛtɔ no bi a woka no ato sɛbe bɛka kyerɛ no ɔnya saa nsɛm hunu no party na me no a wɔnka sa MPP ame no na wɔnkɔ ala na frafrantɔ kɔ wakɔwu
107.3.
asase pono no
afrafrantɔ wɔtu yɛ petere bra afrafrantɔ ɔwɔ he
Ewurade Nyankopɔn. Ewurade Nyankopɔn.
wapem
Sheniakasa.
Kennedy wontumi nyama mpanyin wɔ Ghana that's the gospel truth hard truth wontumi nyama mpanyin wɔ Ghana because wonya honest
Woka wie no so wonte ase de ay wono headache.
wontumi nyama mpanyin wɔ Ghana. I'm telling you akraba Kennedy can never be a president in Ghana. ahoya na eku no because ba omia bi tu ntino won pe ba omia asem ntino wo bedi nsem hunu be semu ba de nyame akyere no ohira no nyame na akyere no o anya nipa nyame na akyere Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud ba omia so leave it ya de no ko wantimi ya ba sa de na ko this one no akase wa bre
forgets. The elephant never
Hello, Ghana 4. Is history repeating itself? Ernest Owusu Bimpa, Kennedy Agyapong, Nana Kunedo Ajimai Rawlings, Ernest Owusu Bimpa, Fonka. Is history repeating itself? Kennedy Agyapong is out. He had an interview on a radio at a radio station. And the man was throwing tantrum. Because a tantrum, on seni akwala, akwala, ubehu tantrum, akwala pebibina wenya, no di no bofom, no or throw ni nine, no or soon. Upejane na uboni to bakwa, ubehu se wejai, na uchreni se iwiaseno, yemfa patapa enji adie. Upebibina wenya, ubenya butre. Dana unyami bwana umaminya na odi den or the amount. Kennedy Agyapong does not know defeat. He does not know defeat. Or the Rambo style patapa ewa bonting. Look, I see Kennedy Agyapong as Mrs. Rawlings. Everybody knows I love Mrs. Rawlings. But the exact path that Mrs. Rawlings took, and she had the defeat of her life and decided to go and create her own political party with Ernest Owusu Bimpa being the head. Kennedy Agyapong did the same thing. He made Owusu Bimpa the head of his communication. He was lambasting and bombarding everybody. He made a video. He had an interview. Or see, 2027, July 2027, and NPP and the NPP will see fire. Obeba Bonting, Obe disgrace MPP. Now, if they are expecting him to join the MPP again, lie, he will never join the MPP again. That is the exact unim politics mupa. Ube say Mrs. Rawlings is back in the MPP. Kennedy Agyapong is the next Mrs. Rawlings. Oh dear, watch the game. He is going. Look, no. They will leave him behind. So onim politics are. Look, or see agenda 111 or almost 10%. Look, you were in the government. You, your wife, your son, you enjoyed the MPP for 8 years. While some of us were wailing and crying. Kennedy Agyapong, nobody is going to take you serious unless some of us don't have a voice. Inshallah, we will speak in Ga, we will speak in Hausa, we will speak in Chi, we will educate our people and let them know that you, Kennedy Agyapong, you don't love Ghana. You are a stomach politician and you are a tantrum child. You are a tantrum child. When you don't get what you want, you'll be out there lambasting, throwing yourself around, throwing yourself about. What kind of nigga are you? Nature say wunu, uka se wunkwana uye nigga no. Oh bua. Me, I'm not MPP, but the kind of Rambo style now person we use no. Yebema Ghana fue who say you said you are talking for the youth. You bang For 8 years when you were there, you and your son, your wife, your sister, when you were enjoying all the contract under Nana Akufo-Addo, did you remember the MPP, the youth, the Ghanaian youth? Now you are out there, bitter, so bitter, to the brim. You want us to believe that you are talking for Ghana, Ghana and the Ghanaian youth. Unless those youth, they are stupid. And they are not stupid. Those Gen Zs, they are smart as that you have never thought of. They are wiser. Omo nyansa chen wo Kennedy Agyapong. Omo hu se wo wanya wo sika na wo pe e wo NPP mu. Waji contract ni na jiska no. Afi na wo pe se wo ye president na wanya no. Wo abonti wo se wo kasa magana. Why is it that when you were there for 8 years and things were going wayward, why didn't you talk? Agenda 111 now wo ka se omo the temp contract ama aton ama nkrofo omo ji 10% no. That time no adentina one ba abonti ankasa. Because you were also in there. You were enjoying. You, your son, and your wife. Wawa. Who do you think is stupid? We are waiting for you. 2027. Okasa will come and talk. Me, I'm not NPP. But you see, you are annoying people out there if you don't know. When you sika upe, when you didn't enjoy. We see 2027, they should get ready for you. They think you are stupid. You come and join the NPP again. 2027 June, July, you show them Pepe. What Pepe? What Pepe? That Mrs. Rowling didn't show NDC. What kind of Pepe? The same Enese Usu Bimpa. The same funka guy. So we know where you are going. We know where you are going. Bufuasem.
There's a media no so there. Try to be hanging with you. Can see June, July 2027. Edi asem ene beti besi. Ye wo ha no mo. De besi bia no from now till then no. De besi bia no penya be yudwemo. Amwati ase. Until then, I penya block media. Agra.